Hello children. Good morning. How are you all? Very good. Are you all ready for today's class? So shall we start? Okay. Children, today we are going to learn the letter E. Which letter we are going to learn today? Letter E. Now I am going to tell you a short story. You all love stories, isn't it? Yes, that is why I'm going to tell you a small story today. Now all of you fold your hands and sit straight. Teacher is going to tell you a story now. Okay? You all have to listen carefully. Look at this. We have two animals here. We have one emu and elephant. Emu and elephant are very good friends. They play together. They go out together. Emu has big eyes. See Emu's eyes. Can you see? His eyes are so big. And elephant has big ears. All of you touch your ears. See, elephant has big ears and emu has big eyes. One day when they were playing, you know what they found? They found 8 golden eggs. What did they find? They found 8 golden eggs. Then they took these 8 golden eggs to their friend Eagle. Eagle is the friend of emu and elephant. So now Eagle says, "Thank you, my dear friends, for bringing this 8 golden eggs to me." Then what do they do afterwards? They all sit and eat dinner together. What are they doing? They are having their dinner. They sit and eat dinner together. See? Can you see all of them are having their dinner? Yes. Then after that, elephant and emu is going back home. And on the way back home, you know what did they see? They saw an engine. Can you see the red and blue engine? Yes, they saw a engine. So children, this is a story about emu, elephant and eagle. So did you all like the story, children? Very good. So children, today we are going to study the letter E. Now let us recall all the words that begin with the letter E from our story. Okay? So E for elephant. E for emu. E for 8 golden eggs. E for eagle. E for eat. Eat. E for eyes. Emu had big eyes, correct? Yes, so E for eyes. And elephant had big ears. So E for ears. And then what did they see on the way back home? Engine. So E for engine. So children, which letter did we study today? We studied the letter E. Now let us see how to write the letter E. So children, let us learn how to write the alphabet E. Now I am going to put the dots. Okay, the same way your parents can put the dots for you. And you can learn to write the alphabet E. Now see, I have put the dots. Now I am going to join these dots. Okay. Now I am going to start from this dot and form a standing line first. So I am going to slowly come down and join all the dots. Okay. Now this is the standing line. Now I am going to join these top dots to form a sleeping line. Okay. Now I am going to join these dots at the bottom to form a sleeping line again. Okay. Now I am going to join the dots in the middle to form a sleeping line again. Okay children. Now children, always remember that your middle sleeping line has to be smaller than your top sleeping line and your bottom sleeping line. Okay. Let us do it once more. Okay. Now I am going to join these dots. So I am going to start from this first dot and form a standing line first. I am going to slowly come down and join all the dots. Okay, now this is a standing line. Now I am going to join the top dots to form a sleeping line. Okay, now I am going to join the dots at the bottom to form a sleeping line. Now I am going to join the dots in the middle to form a sleeping line again. Okay, so this is the letter E. And as I said, children, always remember your middle sleeping line has to be smaller than your top and your bottom sleeping line. Okay. So children, now let us learn how to write the alphabet E in a 4-line notebook. I am going to put the dots. Okay, now I am going to join these dots. Now first I am going to form a standing line. Okay, and now I am going to join the dots at the top to form a top sleeping line. Now I am going to join the dots at the bottom to form a sleeping line. And now I am going to join the dots in the middle to form the middle sleeping line. Okay, so this is the letter E. Children, always remember that your middle sleeping line has to be smaller than your top and your bottom sleeping line. Okay, now let's do it again. First I am going to form a standing line, then sleeping line, top sleeping line, then the bottom sleeping line and the middle sleeping line. Okay, now children, when you are writing the letter E, make sure you do not touch the bottom red line. If you touch the bottom red line and write the letter E, then this is wrong. Okay, So when you're writing, make sure you stop at the third line. Your standing line has to stop on the third line. Okay, and this is how you will write the alphabet E. So this is correct. Okay children, so do practice this at home. Thank you so much. Take care and bye bye.